Have you ever thought that Elon Musk's Tesla could face a challenge? Yes, according to the reports, Tesla is just going down. Curious to know the reason behind this? And isn't it shocking to hear a dropdown of one of the strongest EV producers? In this video, we'll share our thoughts on the challenges Tesla is facing right now. Recent reports have highlighted a significant drop in Tesla's stock value. The company released its first quarter earnings report, which, combined with multiple price cuts over the weekend, led to consecutive days of declining share prices. This downturn sent Tesla's shares to their lowest level since January. A 3.4% decrease on the day contributed to a total year-to-date decline of 43%, marking Tesla as the second worst performer among S&P 500 companies this year. The stock closed at $142.05. But do you know what strategic plans were made by Tesla? Tesla cut pricing on its most popular electric vehicles, the Model Y SUV and the entry-level Model 3 sedan, by as much as $2,000 in the US, China, and all of Europe. In addition, Tesla took a third of the cost of its top-tier driver assistance package. Though it still needs a human driver to be at the wheel at all times, ready to steer or brake, the system is advertised as the full self-driving, or FSD option. So what are the prices Tesla gives for the FSD option? The FSD option is currently available on Tesla's website for $8,000 upfront and $99 for a monthly subscription. Previously, it cost $12,000 upfront, or $199 per month on a subscription basis, for the majority of consumers in the US. The price reduction comes after Tesla offered a free trial to consumers in North America beginning in late March. The most recent cuts exacerbate investors' mounting concerns in the wake of poor first quarter deliveries, job losses, and a Cybertruck recall. If you may know, a severe trapped pedal issue was spotted in a popular TikTok video posted by a Cybertruck owner. And do you guys know Tesla announced a voluntary recall last week for 3,878 Cybertruck vehicles? But it is also stated that there might be a possibility of a pad on top of the Cybertruck's accelerator pedal coming free and becoming stuck in the interior trim. And it may be leading to unintended acceleration. Tesla started a steep and hectic reorganization before announcing the recall and price reductions. It had told staff members early last week that it would be laying off over 10% of its global workforce. According to two current employees who spoke with CNBC under the condition that their identities not be revealed, the layoffs are still ongoing, and other workers have just received notice that their jobs have been canceled. Tesla will hold a call in the afternoon to discuss its first quarter earnings. So, what loss is predicted in their revenue reports? Londo Stock Exchange Group reports that analysts are projecting a 5.1% loss in revenue, which would be the first year-over-year decline since the COVID-19 pandemic halted operations in the second quarter of 2020. In a published report, Bank of America analyst John Murphy stated, "Since late 2023, sentiment on Tesla, TSLA, has deteriorated, that investors will heavily focus on commentary related to growth initiatives, particularly the robotaxi and the Model 2 next-gen platform." According to Reuters, Tesla is scrapping plans to release a relatively affordable Model 2 electric car anytime soon, in favor of developing a robotaxi at Musk's command. According to UBS analyst Joseph Spack, investors should expect some fireworks on the call. He also mentioned that free cash flow and Tesla's automotive gross margins, excluding environmental credits, will be important measures. There are many possible outcomes for Tesla. How would you rate its level of uncertainty? Because of its strong cyclical nature, the automotive industry is vulnerable to sudden drops in demand when the economy is doing poorly. I think Tesla also faced several risks that could prove tough for them. As the leader in the electric vehicle market, Tesla faces increasing competition from both established automakers and recent arrivals. On the other hand, Tesla might have to keep lowering costs when more affordable EVs hit the market, which would hurt the company's already record-breaking profits. More EV options could make people think less highly of Tesla. It's also very true that risks to Tesla's governance, social structure, and environment exist. Being an automaker, it is vulnerable to possible flaws in its software for autonomous driving that might lead to recalls. If this does happen, we anticipate a moderate impact. Retaining employees is another risk. After so many risk assessments, what do you guys think about how it improves its status? Tesla's positive reputation may only improve if it can hold on to important personnel, including CEO Elon Musk. Tesla's financial situation is really good. As of December 31st, 2023, cash equivalents, and investments totaled $29.1 billion, significantly exceeding the total amount of debt. The entire debt was approximately $4.6 billion, while the non-recourse debt was less than $50 million. The management has expressed a desire to pay off all debt gradually, and it has largely succeeded in doing so. In any case, we believe Tesla should have no trouble funding its expansion goals in the upcoming years, thanks to positive free cash flow creation and a sizable cash balance. Any leftover free cash flow might be used to repurchase shares if the company so desires. So, what I believe is that Tesla's advantages will last and enable the company to generate excess returns on capital for at least the next 20 years. But with automobile technologies advancing so quickly, they could revolutionize consumer travel and commuting. The next 10 years are highly unpredictable for both Tesla and the automotive sector as a whole. Therefore, we believe that a narrow moat rating, which is based on excess returns over 10 years, is more suitable. Analysts gave reports on the decline of Tesla's performance, but still hope the CEO is still there. Strategies are going to be adopted to cope with the situation. What are your comments on Tesla's drop down? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video.